Last week, Bootstrap breaking changes were announced. We talked about an issue around Kubernetes, scalability. Today, we'll talk about shipping 171 and more issues appear. So today, now is 20 October 3rd. What do we have? Demos? The usual demo maker on it here. Topics, if any, 171 issues to check. Then status. Status option 1. Yep, this one was merged. Is not culture. One comment, so this is there is a cache here on the cultures, and the comment we made on this feature is that it's on the 110x branch and not the dev branch. So someone should bring this code to the dev branch also. Orchard core. I think 26. Yes, this one. Then so that. So just a few commits. SASS files created in the admin team. So I believe some reactions to the changes on the Bootstrap migration. I think it's better. Fixed validation color on the login layout. Same thing. Update 3250. So there was a bug fixed, but just for the view renderings, not what's already using. There was a new API available just for creation of tags, and it's actually incomplete, so I need to something else in that, but nothing interesting otherwise. With trim async suffix, where default shape factory. Okay, probably the auto invocation of methods that you can, even if there is an async method, it will be able to call it without the async name in the name. There's a test. I was about to ask for that. That's great. Factory async. Oh, okay. The method itself contains async. The created shape doesn't have the async, so that's why we built here. Yeah. So take everything before the length of async. Typos in object quantification. Okay. Copy paste the typos. Dated remember passing numbers, like other typos, returns true, and actually, so that's better, but there is a different tag for that, and I know it because I'm working on a project that has some of these. So if we search for returns, this one, you see true all the language keywords, and true is one. this is better upon language true. So that's what I will have done also a few months ago until I worked on this project that was reviewed by some professional documentation writers. And I learned a bit of things with that. So here you see language true. FYI. MKX update. Workflow module page is issued in PostgreSQL. So there was this one we transferred because I think this was 14 or 12. So this is the issue. First cross exception, what the type ID does not exist. It should be shipped in 1.7. Did I assign just 1.7? So that's great. Also mentioned by this user. That's bad. Select distinct. Okay, you have to prefix column by a table. Okay. So this will have to be made in a PR for .1.7 branch also. And it could have targeted the 1.7 branch, and then you could have merged the 1.7 into the main branch. And maybe it's so we don't actually. It's just that I'm featuring the main branch. So if I look at the 1.7 branch, there is nothing. Okay, so this one will also have to go on 1.7, and if I look at the issues for 1.7, I are still open. There is also this issue to fix. Unless this one is just a migration from 2 versions before. But apparently there is an issue. Even with that. So we have to fix it also for 1.7. Good. Questions? No questions. What else? Just a quick look at the issues. So last week during triage, we handled all the backlog of issues that were not triaged. So everything has been triaged and reviewed so far. So this week we just have a few of them. This will be quick. On Thursday, you can see that all assigned getting milestone. new. Tutorial doesn't work. I can do that for request just to see what's new. Fixing the tutorial, that's great. Issue plus PR. Release that contains the so this PR can be merged, I believe, and we can create more PRs after that. So this is to fix the Z index of the model dialog. Fixing the put to random ID for HTTP. So I will include that. I will include that. I had a review through. So I can merge that, and then we have to. It's not really release. Like the one is I will merge it with the name. Okay. Targeting on 7, so that's good. So we need to create more commits for the other issues. Let's do that. Here. So here. So this is the issue that we need to put also on 1.7. How do we do that? I believe I will create a branch. One, 4, 4, 12. Create the branch here. So I will exit it here. And 32 needs to copy everything here. So I need to base it on here. And I'm doing that, but there was a new commit in the meantime. Here. Okay, so we have 1.7. I have a new branch here. We'll just cherry pick this commit. here, which I will push. Now we can do a pull request from this one. And I will take the main. So in the ASP.NET Core repo, I will show something that is useful. There is a GitHub action. It is called Backport. It's just some script. Where is the script? This one part. Yeah. So what it's doing is it's creating a PR from another PR. So where you are here from the PR that goes to main. So this is the what is the PR that we merged? This one. This is the initial PR that we merged in main. So when you are there, then you can say something like slash backport, and then say like release 171. Oh, did I actually take the bunch 171? No, it's 17. That's fine. It's 17. We just create the time of that. So we say that and we comment, and then the workflow will create a new PR with the same code changes as this PR, but targeting the branch with 171. So exactly everything I did manually done by Littlebot like this. It's very useful. Sticks. What we need to replace this. Here. Targeting use 17. Pull requests. What's the reason then? And put that up. And I believe we could just copy this one. Because it's using one that is public in the other repository. Without the need of this template. That's great. Okay, good. That is done. So this one we merged, but we made it, so that is appear now. And this and the other ones will triage and Thursday. This one we mentioned that last week, optimization. I actually to fix lots of some memory leaks and also to improve some other behaviors. Still working on that. And I believe that's it. The rest we'll see on Thursday. Triage. Questions? Backport PR script. It's not a demo, but almost. Yeah. Good. So it seems that we are done. So thanks everyone. See you on Thursday or next week.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.